So anyway, isa pang tip, you guys, usually kung mga cinematographer, yung mga like yung cinematographer ko sa isang film po, nirami yung cam ko. Nag-rent ako ng cam, nirami for 1 week para mag-familiarize siya sa cam. So whatever yung equipment nyo, kailangan alam na alam nyo kung anong kaya niya gawin, ano hindi niya kaya gawin, tapos paano yung balance yun. So whatever yung anong equipment nyo, anong camera nyo, kailangan masyadong familiar kayo sa equipment. So kailangan talaga paglaro. One of our exercises, paglaruan natin yung cams natin. We'll find what it can do, what it cannot do. Kahit yung hindi niya kaya gawin, baka pwede pa rin gawin ng paraan para may gagawin siya. Kahit anong limitation. So again, always familiarize yourself with your equipment. So again, we didn't give that much time, but it's okay. Interesting sa'yo, what I think I see in that, kahit hindi na post, no? Parang meron siyang, di ba, that shot, meron kang parang anticipation. Kasi ano yun, akala mo hanggang doon na, tapos nag-go up. So, film as a medium, as a visual medium, hindi kung director ka, hindi mo lang din-direct yung mga actor mo. Pwede mo i-direct yung audience. Pwede mo paglaruan, hindi paglaruan lang for the sake ng paglaruan.